The anbernic rg505. You get a case with it, and this is the anbernic rg505. So let's have a look. So with this anbernic, you get the anbernic 505. Here it is. It's got your USB-C connection. It's a really nice machine. You got your volume button here, and that's the back of it. Right. So what you get is a tempered glass for it, the wipes and the manual, and a USB cable there. So and that's it. The 505. It's touch screen, and it's got Android on there as well. So if you want one of these, click on the link in the video and get yourself one. anbernic 505. This is the best retro game console on there.